Cek. Yo, selamat pagi dari Brisbane, Australia. Good morning, welcome back. So today I want to make a video how to travel with long fins, free dive long fins. So number one, we should have hard case long fin free dive. So I got this long fin hard case from online in Dive Central in Sydney, but you can looking at online platform like Amazon or Alibaba, more cheaper. So yeah, number one, you should have this one. So kayak gini dalamnya. Okay, like packing, because next week I want to go to Raja Ampat, West Papua, Indonesia. So I wanna free dive, snorkeling down there, maybe diving too. Long time not diving. So let's tie. And number two, of course, you should have long fin. Adreno long fin. It's a tuna fro, pure carbon, stiffness medium from Adreno. It's easy to get this one in Brisbane. So yo, it's packing. So we could put this one or no. And number three, it's free dive socks. So I got socks from Adreno too. Free dive socks, more protection your around here from the fin because it's long fin. So you could protect your feet, skin from blister. And number four, you should have towel beach. I get from Teslate. So like this, it could protect your long fin too in the hard case. And number five is daily long fin bag, soft bag like this. So it's just for daily. When you arrive on the destination, you could put your long fin on soft bag like this. Yes, something like that, and you can go travel. Just bring it like this to the boat, and yeah, happy travel with soft daily bag. It's more easier. So because this video make how to packing the long fin, so better we make a tutorial with this one. So you could put like this on your okay, then put your long fin here, make protection, something like that. Yeah. Yo. Cover it with your towel. Zip with the stripe. Okay. And you could put your sock in the pocket here, maybe. Put your towel bit case, kantong, handuk. Okay, or maybe one socks here. Make a balance. Okay. Terus I could put right here. Okay, so you could put two long fin from the other side. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. Jadi gue akan traveling ke Raja Ampat sekitar 6 days. That enough, so I could travel more another destination. Okay. Hey, wait. Okay. Stripe. Stripe. That's it. But make sure not too full, just because it's pure carbon. Okay. Yo. Oof. A little bit heavy with too long fin. So it's to protect your long fin when you travel on with flight. So number 6, you should have soft case for hard case. Like this, I bought at Kmart. It's only a couple bucks. Yeah, like that. See? And you could put this one to your hard case. That's it. It's good traveling. So just carry them like that. Ooh, it's heavy. So you're not headache about your long fin when you travel far with airplane. So just put them on baggage. Make sure your flight they have sport baggage. Jadi besok gua naik Garuda Jakarta Sorong dan mereka provide tambahan baggage buat sport alat olahraga. So that's it. How to travel with long fin. Number 1, hard case. Number 2, soft case. Number 2, long fin. Absolutely. Number 3, soft daily bag. Number 3 is socks for protect your feet from lecet kaki gitu katanya. Terus what else? Yeah, towel to protect your long fin pure carbon. So yeah, let's go to Raja Ampat. Jangan lupa jangan buang sampah sembarangan. Ciao. Terima kasih udah nonton How to Travel with Long Fin. See ya. Bye. Sampai jumpa di Raja Ampat. Let's go.